You did the cross-examination of neuropsychologist, right?
Yeah, I actually just threw out what I was going to do with her beforehand and after hearing her testify. And I was like, I'm just going to show her these videos. I'm going to point out that the manual specifically says that you need to use the cutoffs and just like make her look ridiculous. I think at one point I said, "You're the only one that cracked the code in this case, huh?" And she was like, "Yep, that was just me." And I was like, "So it wasn't all of the people with her monitoring her 24 hours a day in the hospital when she stayed 2 nights. She fooled us. She fooled all of her doctors who she went over 300 times to." And I was like, "You're the only one that cracked the code. That's what you want the jury to believe." And she was like, "Yep." And I was like, "All right."
Wow. So two things that I love about what you just said is, did I hear you say that you sort of had a plan, you had an outline that you were going to use, and then you're like, I'm not going to do it. I'm throwing it aside. I'm just going to go at her. Is that kind of how it felt?
Yeah.
And I love how you all polarized the case and how the defense just went right at it. It just becomes this stark, absolute, you guys are either wrong or you're 100% right, and holy verdict to prove it.